Usha is a battery metals focused explorer. We've got assets in Ontario, Arizona, Nevada. Our focus is to look for projects that are in safe jurisdictions with high upside with minimal expenditure. And that's, I think, what we've accomplished with each of our projects here. With any company, the strength comes to its technical team. And so we've got some really quality geologists, right? So our board has 2 geologists on it, myself and Adrian Smith. But our technical team is led by Andrew Timms, who was part of the Rainy River deposit when they took it from 600,000 ounces to 6 million ounces, and it was sold. So you have quality geologists working to move these projects forward, and that's really what you need. One thing I really like about the battery metal space is that production is coming home to North America. For a long time, it's not as if these resources haven't existed in Canada or in the United States, but the challenge has always been that we've been looking at production in Africa, in South America, in China. These are higher risk jurisdictions that we don't control, and being able to bring that production home to North America, I think, is really important because it helps local companies move forward. And Usha is going to be able to capitalize on this because we have 3 projects, all of which offer an opportunity to take these critical metals and move them into production, right? We have our work cut out in front of us, but we're going to get there. And we're also now at the same time exploring other opportunities in the battery metal space and looking to acquire them. Usha today has 3 projects. We've got the Jackpot Lake Lithium Project in Nevada, the Lost Basin Copper Gold Project in Arizona, and the Nicobat Nickel Copper Cobalt Project in Ontario. So Jackpot Lake is a lithium brine project. It's a drill-ready project, so that's what really excited us when we acquired this property. All the geophysics have been done to show that there is a brine. It's in a closed basin, so we know that when we go out there and we drill, we're drilling into something that can develop into a resource very quickly. Lost Basin is a copper gold project in Arizona. We're excited to go and drill for the first time. So we acquired that property about 1.5 years ago. We looked at it as an undervalued story in what's now becoming a very exciting camp. Next door to us, we've got 20,000 meters being drilled by the Discovery Group. So we know we're in the right spot. So we've worked on that property since we acquired it to develop targets and really get to a level where we're comfortable to go out and drill. The Nicobat Nickel Project was our first project. So we founded the company looking at this historic nickel resource. It was a low-grade resource, but it's very comparable to what Canada Nickel has in Ontario. And that's something now in today's market which has become much more viable economically. But the beauty of that property is not only does it have a historic resource that we can now update and bring into 2022, but there's a high-grade feeder zone that has never been explored really that we can go and now use to increase the economics of that. What we'd like to accomplish in 2022 is complete our maiden drill program in Arizona and go drill test these targets. As I said, there's 20,000 meters next door in what is really a hot camp, and we're excited to get out there and show everyone what we've got. We also want to get out to Jackpot Lake, drill that property, and deliver a resource this year. And I think the third thing we really want to accomplish this year is successfully finish the spin out and then go drill that Ontario property and move that along as well towards production. A spinco, also known as a spin-out, is when a company takes an existing asset and moves into a subsidiary to help benefit shareholders by increasing value. So shareholders in Usha will get shares of spinco automatically by having shares of Usha on a record date. Now, we have not announced the record date yet or the ratio yet. That's something that'll be coming in the next few weeks. But what will happen is that when that date happens, and let's just say you have 1,000 shares, you will automatically be eligible for the proportionate amount of shares in the spinco. Investors at Usha today have a very unique opportunity. Our market cap is incredibly attractive, our cap structure is incredibly attractive, management has skin in the game, and I feel like now that we've got 2 programs coming and that nickel spin out, we've got 3 reasons, they're very strong reasons for why people should look at us today. And at a $6.5 million market cap, I think we're completely undervalued. And so when you put it all together, I think we're a very unique opportunity.